maraming salamat. Ganda.
Thank you.
Tuwing dumadating ka dito, ang pinag-uusapan sa loob ng dressing room, bakit ka hindi tumatanda? Meron.
Kasi yung ginagamit ko skincare, may Korean skincare.
Pati yun, ha?
Oo. OA ako.
Pinaka-basic facial of all, but it's the safe. There's no pain involved. There's no downtime. You know that your skin is safe. There's no side effects. And that's important. You gotta take care of the skin.
This product also has intense whitening. So when you apply it on the face, it has lightening, brightening, and also an anti-aging effect. So when you apply it on the eye area, it will help diminish all the fine lines, the wrinkles on the forehead, and also sa nasolabial fold. Napakaganda ng product na to because it took me almost 1 year to perfect this formula. When you apply it on the face, you can actually layer it kung how much lightening you want. This product is also an intense whitening. So actually, you can layer it para kung gaano ka-lighter yung gusto. When you apply 1 layer, magiging dewy yung skin. Pag nag-apply kayo ng 2 layers, magiging 1 shade lighter kayo. So when you apply 3 layers, paadagdag ng padagdag yung pagka-brighter ng skin niyo. So it's up to you on how many layers you want to put it on your skin. But for me, I apply about 3 layers. I actually have it right now. And actually, it's one of my favorite products because you see result right away.